Technical. We're back here in North Valley Forge. We haven't died yet. We're still here. I know it's been a while. So, right, here's what we're on with today. So, got some. This is an ongoing job down at Westminster. We've done all them little wiggly waggly things there, and what we've got is a bit of a radius there. So 40 by 50, straight into rollers. The radius going on there. And what we've done is we've marked the top at rise. That's the length of the thing on floor, so a bit of a right angle, and then just wants a little tad more of that. So just rack it high, twist it up. Yeah, that's a bit more. So here we are, back in Forge again, eh? You've missed me, haven't you? Yeah, you people have missed me. Well, I've missed you too. So a bit more pressure. Just going to give that there. And run it through again. And that should be a sizable sort of radius to go on top of these railings. So you get the gist of that. What we're doing, we've got an old knackered old table with knackered old legs. And the guy wants it all rebuilding and remaking. So talking of knackered old legs, I bet Dave and Joe had some knackered old legs because they did a 40-mile walk at weekend for cerebral palsy. So well done to them boys. Top lads. 50 by 10, so I reckon we're getting a fish tail on there. Oh, that smells good, doesn't it? Hey, why?
Lovely.
Take it around a right little bit, not like we usually do right round. We'll just do about there. You know what I mean? And then we'll just pop it in this big a bit, you know, get a bit bigger here. Pull it round. You know what I mean? Give it a bit of a bend. These are going to be these legs here. Give it a bit more on machine over yonder. I'll just chuck this out at the rope. What we've got is some spikes, if someone wants some hanging basket back to practice. So we do different sorts, we do round ones, we do 12mm, edge hammered, just grab an hammer, that's a decent hammer. There we go. We've got them all over the place. Right, do that bit of a knock there, so we'll just bring it back. Just bending that over a right little tad. What I'll do is take it out of my machine here. Like the right angle 90 there. Just going to push that forward till that goes up there, like that. And then take it around again to the same shot. And they're good for hanging baskets either that way, or you can do that way and have it as that you're up. So either way, it's up to you. We've got them, and we've got 16mm round in machine, as always. There, so you're not bashing them on handbill, you know, whatever. So on every corner that'll run, and it's spreading it out, turning it into a bit of a point. And what we'll do with them, bang them over here, just let them cool down for a bit. What we'll do, get a few over there. Roll that over, quietly away. Yeah, push it down there. What I'll do, we'll just pull that down here. You see? Just pull that round a little bit like that. Straighten that up. Right, and what we're going to do is knock that out the road. Put it on here, see it again, bit of a right angle bend. While it's still a bit warm, and we'll knock that down. Nice little shepherd's crook, hook sort of thing. There you go on to hang it back. Over here, we'll just pop together. Right, started. Show you what these are going to be. So you've got all your different designs of them, but this customer wants some with some scrolls on. We're getting a bit of a C-scroll there with chiseled edge, 12x6. Smaller one that fits inside. That middle ground, like that. Stack him on there. Reactor glasses, so you know, don't get archive with these. Plug that on there. Fish bash posh. Make sure it's all level, central. Tap them on. Tap there. Yeah, got tap in the middle there. Put some leaves on. And wallet, Dosh. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your auntie. How do you like that? Get your hanging baskets here. Or whatever kind of back plate, you know, do all different textures and that. If you want to make your house nice at front this summer, get yourself out of North Valley Forge and make it Bob Swift. We'll see you next week, hopefully. See you.